The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, the forthcoming flagship device, is generating immense excitement with its rumored upgrades and refinements. As we delve into the latest leaks and speculation, it's clear that this smartphone is poised to revolutionize the mobile landscape. Upgraded design and display. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to boast a sleeker, more refined design. Slightly taller, wider, and thinner profile. Rounded shape, departing from the flat-edged predecessor, larger 6.86-inch display, perfect for immersive experiences. The camera system is rumored to receive significant enhancements. Upgraded 50-megapixel ISO Xenon 3 ultra-wide sensor, unchanged main, 3x telephoto and 5x telephoto sensors, ensuring exceptional image quality. As the highly anticipated launch of the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra draws near, excitement builds. Enthusiasts and tech aficionados can expect frequent leaks and reveals, regular updates on features, design, and specifications, insider insights into Samsung's innovative technologies, potential hands-on experiences and reviews, official announcements, confirmation of rumored features and upgrades, detailed specifications and technical details, launch date, pricing, and availability information. A game-changing device. The Galaxy S25 Ultra promises to revolutionize the smartphone landscape. Sleek design and impressive display, advanced camera capabilities and AI-driven features, lightning-fast performance and seamless user experience. Stay tuned for the latest updates and mark your calendars for the January 2025 launch. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is poised to redefine the boundaries of mobile technology, blending style, substance, and innovation. The Galaxy S25 Ultra's design has undergone subtle yet impactful changes. Slightly taller, wider, and thinner profile, the thinnest model in the series. More rounded shape, departing from the flat-edged Galaxy S24 Ultra. Larger 6.86-inch display, up from 6.8 inches. Camera enhancements. The camera system receives a notable boost. Upgraded 50-megapixel ISO Xenon 3 ultra-wide sensor with 0.7-micron pixel size. Unchanged main, 3x telephoto, and 5x telephoto sensors. Performance and power. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is poised to deliver. Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chipset globally. 16GB RAM in the base storage variant, up from 12GB. Unchanged battery capacity and charging speed. Launch and leaks. Mark your calendars. Expected launch in January 2025. More tangible leaks anticipated in the coming months. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is emerging as a game-changing device, masterfully combining sleek design, refined aesthetics with a rounded shape, slightly taller, wider, and thinner profile, premium materials for a luxurious feel. Advanced camera capabilities, upgraded 50-megapixel ISO Xenon 3 ultra-wide sensor, unchanged main, 3x telephoto, and 5x telephoto sensors for exceptional image quality. AI-driven features for enhanced photography. Robust performance. Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chipset for lightning-fast processing, 16GB RAM for seamless multitasking and performance, unchanged battery capacity and charging speed for all-day power. The verdict. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is poised to revolutionize the smartphone landscape. With its perfect blend of style, substance, and innovation, it's an enticing proposition for tech enthusiasts seeking the latest advancements, photography aficionados demanding exceptional image quality, power users requiring robust performance and seamless experiences. Share your thoughts. Will you be upgrading to the Galaxy S25 Ultra? Are you excited about its rumored features and upgrades? Let us know in the comments. Stay tuned for further updates and official announcements.